Becoming profitable requires you to leverage the power of higher time frames and lower time frames combined together so that you can have confluences and confidence in your trading. And my approach to top-down analysis is unconventional. So you might get triggered by this video, or you might get something unique in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number one is understanding the weekly cycle. So on the weekly time frame, Monday usually sets the high and the low of the week. So if this is your high and this is your low, in that week, you do not trade, you are waiting, because Monday will give you the opening range. So Monday will give you the opening range. With one candle, it's hard to predict where the market wants to go. But Tuesday can give you a clue. So if Tuesday breaks out, so let's color them bullish. All right, so if Tuesday is a breakout candle, this is a sign of strength, and it's telling you where price wants to go in the next candle. And so there's a high probability that the next candle will continue in the direction of the breakout. So now on a weekly scale, you know where the individual day is likely headed. Now, if you know this, when you come to the screen on Wednesday, your job will be to wait when price is creating this low. And then you get in so that when price is going up, you make some profits. And the complete reverse is true. So if price breaks out, then closes back inside of the range, giving you a pin like that, then there is a very high likelihood that the next candle will be a reversal. Reason being, breakouts are a sign of strength. The opposite of a breakout is a failed breakout, which is a sign of weakness. So breakout, continue with the trend. Failed breakout, look for reversals. So keep in mind, this is Monday. Then we have next day, Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday give you the direction for Wednesday. And you can do it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, however you want to do it. That is on the weekly scale. How do you use this concept in the 5-minute time frame to look for entries and high quality setups? So same thing. So the underlying principle here is that a breakout is a sign of strength and a failed breakout is a sign of weakness. So for example, let's say we have that bullish candle. If the next candle goes higher, there is a high likelihood even the next candle will go higher. And even the next one might go higher. But at some point, price will print a bearish candle like that. And this is a red flag because it's very clear that price is bullish, but this is not a bullish candle. So what you do is you draw a line at the low of that candle. And then you observe the next candle. So imagine this candle as your Monday. So if Tuesday breaks out and closes bearish, where do you think Wednesday is headed? Obviously, Wednesday is going to drop. Now, if you got in here, your take profits should be taken after this red candle closed. However, sometimes price does not break out to the downside, but continues in that direction. This is a green flag to tell you that there is a high probability price will continue in that direction. So what you do is you move your stops below this low. So let's look at some examples to show you how this works. So let's start here where we have this explosive move. So we could call this a level, and it's a level, by the way. And this breakout candle is your entry. So we will put a box there to show you your entry. Now notice you get in and you are in profit immediately as price moves in your direction. Then notice this red candle that I was telling you. This is a red flag. You draw a low below that, and then the moment price breaks out and continue, now your entry, your stop loss is moved below that candle. Notice it continues going higher and higher, and then we have this red candle. So what do? You draw a line below that candle. The next candle pins that low, then continues breaking out, which means you are comfortable moving your stops here. And then notice, now we have this red candle, then we have another red candle, then we have another red candle, then we have another red candle, but they are not breaking out. So at this point, I'm still holding because these are not breakouts. These are just failed breakouts. And so price continues again going higher until we reach this area here where we have this one candle going down, and then the next one is a real breakout candle to the downside. So at this point, you exit. So you took the trade down here, you exited up here. Notice how after that, price did not go anywhere significantly. It just reversed. And this is the secret. And so you need to put in the work in the charts to know the candles themselves. And if you want me to help you, there's a link in the description. I only work with nurses. So if you're a nurse, check it out. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments so that I know what you are struggling with and I create videos of that.